Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to restore items from trash in Basecamp. All right. It could be a form of maybe the docs and files or even to-dos or any other tools right here that you may have deleted an item. Okay. To recover, you can go ahead and go to home right here at the top left and just click on admin land. Okay. Click on it and do take note, the person who can recover deleted items or trashed items is the account owner only. Okay. Now in here, just scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see view everything in trash. Okay. Gotta want to click on it. As you can see here, I have deleted or trashed 5 items. Contains 3 to-dos and 1 picture, also 1 link. Okay. So what we'll do to recover these is by clicking on one and you'll have the restore it option. So just click on it, and once done, nothing else to be clicked, you're good to go. All right, just go back, click on the back arrow, do the same with each item and the trash. Okay, go back, do the same, restore, photo right here, restore it, this link, restore it, and when you go ahead and go back to your project, it will be live again. Okay, that is it. Under to-dos, as you can see here, it's now available under to-dos as well. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.